it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am putting a twist on the classic masala chai. If you haven't already tried that recipe, be sure to check that out on my channel. But today we are switching things up and I am making a chocolate chai. Now I've always loved the idea of sort of putting my own twist on the traditional chai, and this one, you guys, is so good. It tastes like hot chocolate meets chai. It's the perfect blend. When those chocolate hits those spices, it's just so good. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's make some chocolate chai. To make a great chai, you have to start with some whole spices. And for this chocolate chai, I have a whole host of beautiful ones: some cinnamon, green cardamom, star anise, and cloves. And all I'm gonna do is take the back of a pot and use that to crush the spices a little bit, because that will help release their perfume into the chai. Now it's time to create the base of the chai. Into a pot, I'm gonna pour in a little bit of water and some milk, and I'm gonna top it off with the crushed spices. Now we're gonna bring this mixture up to a simmer and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, and that'll give it enough time for the perfume of the spices to infuse into the milk mixture. Now it's time to introduce the star of the show, the tea. Now if you're feeling extra bougie, go ahead and use loose leaf tea. Today I'm using 4 black tea bags because they're accessible and easy to find. And we're just gonna drop them in and let them steep for about 5 minutes. Next up, I'm going to strain my tea to remove the tea bags and spices, and now let's talk chocolate. I'm using 70% dark chocolate today. You can go as dark as you want, and we're just going to swirl it into the chai until a beautiful chocolatey color forms. Next, I'm going to sweeten things up with a little bit of white sugar, and now we're going to pour our chocolate chai into glasses, top off with a little bit of whipped cream and a shaving of chocolate. And just like that, you have chocolate chai. The weather is getting colder given that it's fall, and I've so been looking forward to this. Oh my goodness, between the tea, the whipped cream, and the shaved chocolate on top, let's see what I'm in for. Oh my gosh, do I have any whipped cream on my lips? That is absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh, so good. On the first sip, I think I'm drinking masala chai, but then the chocolate just sails right through. It is velvety, it is rich, and it is complemented so well by those crushed spices. This is a really interesting way on putting a twist on a traditional chai, and with that little bit of whipped cream on top for extra creaminess and that grating of chocolate, it is absolutely sensational. So the next time that you're looking to switch up your chai game, think of chocolate chai. I think you guys are gonna love this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, request, or anything you wanna get off your mind, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.